Hello guys, welcome to the Geomatics Engineering Nepal channel. So today we are learning how to calculate Normalized Difference Water Index in Google Earth Engine using Sentinel to image. First we need to define the area of interest. Currently here we are defining by point. So the coordinate of Kathmandu, for example, has been taken for selecting the image. And then we need to define the time, and for this case we have two different time frame, start date and end date. And for this scenario we have taken the date from 2024 January 1st to January 31st, so that we can take the median of those data to provide images all over the study area. And in this case we are using Sentinel to image. You can select the image by using this code, where you have to define which satellite image you will be using. We are using Copernicus S2 SR harmonized image. If you want to see the detail of this one, you can just go and search here. See, this is the image that we have used, and you can see all the details. You can go through different links about learning what are the information that it has, and also it has the information of bands, like in case of NDWI we have used band 3 green and band 8 NIR, which is both of having the resolution of 10 meter and so on. So I'm just closing this one. And we need to define the bound where is our area of interest, and also the date, start date and end date that we have discussed earlier. And also we can use cloudy pixel percentage. If we are using the value of 20, then it allows only those satellite images which has the cloud percentage less than 20. And for this case we are using median. You can use different values like max, mean, minimum, anything as per your requirement. For now we are using median. So once we define a variable S2 for the collection of the image, we can now calculate the NDWI. And for calculating this NDWI, we have already defined function of normalized difference, and we can directly define give the bands that we use. The formula for this normalized difference water index is green minus NIR divided by green plus NIR, and we have just rename the name of this index. I can show it later once it is printed. Let's just add one line for printing NDWI so that I can show you the details. Right, okay. So to plot the map, we can use map.add layer, where we will select the layer, and we can define the range of the value from minimum -1 to the 1, and also the color index on how we can display the pixel values ranging from -1 to 1. So you can see the result in here. I also want to run this code once more. You can run the code by simply clicking in this run button, or you can directly hit Ctrl plus enter in the keyboard. See, this is the result, and I just want to show that this rename, when we rename, use this rename function for the new variable that has been created, it will provide this index value. Yeah, so this is how you can calculate the NDVI if you want to NDWI if you want to see the whole code. This is very simple. Yeah, that's all for today.